Morning, everybody. How are you guys doing today? Well, like I said, today I'm doing chicken, mushroom, and onion omelets. So I got the chicken here that I grilled yesterday, the barbecue chicken, and diced it all up with some mushrooms, and I diced up some onions, and I sauteed it in some butter, and as you can see, I've let it cook until it caramelizes real good. So now we are ready. Omelet mixture is ready. So now, gotta get the butter knife out, get some butter in my egg pan. I wish I didn't have to go to work today, but I volunteered, so we'll get that going. Gotta have my coffee. It's too early in the morning, guys. All right, it's looking really good. Get this pan going. I like a good oiled pan. It makes it so much nicer. And I love to make omelets. Well, I love to make breakfast in general, but I love omelets. I probably know over 100. Don't hold me to that. I don't know if I could count out 100 of them. Just saying I know a lot of omelets. So this one here is basically like a California style omelet. Get some eggs in here. Let that start cooking. Let's see. Pick that back up. Forgot to pull the avocado out of the refrigerator, so I was trying to stretch my mic. Like I said, I'm trying to do minimal editing with these cooking videos, and so, you know, all the bloopers you guys get to see. Trying to keep it real. I'm not going to sit there and cut it out, because it takes a long time to edit the videos to get all the little mistakes out that you think you made, or you thought you said something stupid, so you want to cut it out. So I'm not going to do that. You get to see it all. Yay. Okay, we'll start folding this egg back a little bit. Getting hot enough. Get everything organized here. See, on the weekends, we usually make breakfast. Even though I have to work this weekend, I'm still getting up and making the breakfast. Sometimes we'll have hash browns and eggs and sausage. A lot of we don't have the hash browns as much. We try to stay away from the potatoes, but every now and then we do. And but we try to make a breakfast on the weekends, either oatmeal or eggs and sausage or eggs and bacon, omelets. During the week, Monday through Friday, we usually blend up in our Ninja. We blend up like a vegetable smoothie shake with kale and spinach and green tea and chia and flaxseed and grapes and bananas, and that's what we drink that every morning for breakfast. We've been doing that for, I guess, 3 years now. But on the weekends, we like to make breakfast. All right, let's flip this omelet. Put some cheese in it. Nice fresh grated cheese. And again, push it down to make the pocket and get the eggs to be nice and fluffy. And then we're going to get a spoon and mix some of this omelet mix. Layer that in there like so. So I have enough here probably to do 4 omelets, so we'll probably save some of it. take it like this, and fold it halfway out, and then use the pan to fold it over, like so. And put some cheese on top, so it can melt. Like so. And I'll finish that off in a minute. Let's get the next one started, shall we? A tablespoon of butter. Get that going. Got my cheese melting everywhere. Turn this off because that's good. Swirl that around. All right, we've dumped the rest of the eggs in there. Get that to start cooking. And I'm going to step over here for a minute, guys, out of the camera, and do this avocado real quick. Hang on a minute. Garnish the top of the omelet with some avocado. Like so. All right. Forgot to do that earlier. I knew I was forgetting something. All right, go back to this omelet. Pull that back, pull that back. Start folding it around. I'll let you look at this omelet finish with the melted cheese and the avocado slices. Boom. Very pretty. Very good looking omelet. Hopefully it tastes good. Fold the eggs back. Get that to cook. Very important that you have a good egg pan when you're flipping eggs. When I started working in the restaurants and I started working at a couple of resorts, you know, I learned how to flip eggs in the air, and I've done it in stainless steel pans, and I've done it in these non-stick pans. This pan here I've had for like 10 years. It's well used. I got it from the Restaurant Supply. It's made by Wherever, but it's the restaurant grade one, as you can see. I mean, I don't know if you can see with the camera, but the walls are really thick. The Teflon is really good. Like I said, I've had this pan for 10 years and I use it, and it just does not wear out. And it has the nice cool handle on it. You get some of the cheaper pans for your eggs. They don't last very long. Flip that. So very important to have a good egg pan, especially if you're going to flip them in the air. You don't want them to stick, and you want them to last. But I think if you look on Amazon, you can find the Wherever pans. They have the Wherever pans there. I think $30 or $40, something like that. And a little expensive for one little 8-inch egg pan, but at the same time, I've had it for so long that it makes it worth it. Fold that over like so. Put that on the back. Make sure everything is off. Put a little cheese on the top so it can melt. While it's nice and hot. Like I said in the previous video, when you use fresh grated cheese, the melting point is real nice, so it melts really fast. Let me get this other avocado here in my hands. Step out of the camera here. Slice that real quick. Making a mess. I forgot to do it. I apologize. But we'll slice the avocado. Oop. Slice the avocados on top of this omelet. And again, wipe my hands. Getting avocado all over. And presto. Awesome. So we'll take a little, what I like to finish with these, a little salt and pepper. Grind it up on top, okay. A little salt, just a little. And presto, there it is. Good little breakfast to be going to work with, and good for you. All right, I hope you enjoyed this. If you like the channels, please subscribe, give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or suggestions, let me know. I will read them. Thank you. Have a good morning, you guys.